Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to destination for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into the refreshed 2025 Hyundai Venue, a subcompact SUV that's small in size but making big moves in design, tech, and value. Exterior, a sharper, bolder look. The 2025 Venue gets a noticeable design upgrade. Hyundai has introduced a revised front grille with a more modern pattern, sleeker LED headlights, and new alloy wheel designs that add a bit more character. It still keeps its compact city-friendly dimensions, but the added sharpness gives it a more mature and upscale vibe. New exterior colors are also part of the 2025 lineup, offering more personalization options for buyers. Interior, compact comfort, improved tech. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's more refined than ever. Hyundai has updated the dashboard with higher quality materials and added contrast stitching for a premium touch. The centerpiece is a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster and upgraded ambient lighting help the Venue feel more modern, despite its small footprint. Cabin space remains generous for a vehicle in this class, with ample headroom and clever storage solutions throughout. Performance, city-ready efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Venue continues with its reliable 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 121 horsepower. It's paired with either an intelligent variable transmission, IVT, or a 6-speed manual, depending on the market. While it's not a performance SUV, it delivers solid fuel efficiency and nimble handling, perfect for urban commutes and tight parking situations. Safety and value, more for less. Hyundai's SmartSense suite of driver assist features is now standard across all trims. That includes forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and driver attention warning. Combined with its competitive pricing and Hyundai's solid warranty coverage, the 2025 Venue remains one of the most value-packed options in the subcompact SUV segment. Conclusion, final thoughts. The 2025 Hyundai Venue is proof that good things come in small packages. With a fresh design, updated tech, and impressive value, it continues to stand out in a crowded market. Thanks for watching Vehicle Club. Subscribe for more reviews and car news you can trust.